surf fishing again. It was like 2 weeks ago. I was out on the Jersey Shore. Now I'm at Cardiff by the sea in Southern California. Got a couple anchovies out on a high-low rig. Just had a few bites on one anchovy. It's a pretty good day today. Based on the windy.io app, it's supposed to be a medium bite today, so hopefully get a surf perch, something like that. I also have my Daiwa with me, Pro Scion with Daiwa BG4000 and iron on it, Major Craft Surf iron. So let's see what we get today. Hopefully we get some surf perch. All right.
Full boatload of kelp.
Hey, just a quick word for our sponsor, Mystery Tackle Box. You know it is the best gift for anglers of all experience levels. Like I've said a million times, but through Sunday 12/5, if you enter code SAVE20, you get 20% off Mystery Tackle Boxes. After Sunday, you can use code SAVE15 and get 15% off. So check it out, Mystery Tackle Box. You know I use it all the time. I'm using hooks from Mystery Tackle Box in this video, so check them out. What are you waiting for? Give it a try.
Alright, so something definitely cleaned off my anchovy on that one. So, rebaited, throw this back out there. See how cold this freaking water is. Yesterday didn't turn out too good. No bites and the tide receded way too quickly. Have my rod back out there right now. I'm actually fishing some raw shrimp this morning. I have anchovies, but or sardines, one or the other. And but I felt like trying something different this morning for the surf perch. So I got some raw shrimp out there, and I got a bite. Something weird. Something took my bait. That was yep, something cleaned me off. All right, good sign. So I guess the shrimp's gonna work. So let's rebait up some shrimp here. Push it through a couple times, make sure it's on there good. Let's check this other one out. And I'm fishing the high-low rig again. I'm fishing a bait finder, yeah, definitely something chewing on this. That should work. Let's toss this back out. Definitely had a bite there. Wait for this to recede. Got something. What do we got? What the heck is this thing? I have no idea. Alright, caught a fish. No idea what it is. He just came off the hook. So we've got this guy. It's all sandy. It's like some kind of flying fish thing. I don't know. Oh, first California surf fish. All sandy. Alright, buddy. First one down, let's go. I was on anchovy, and he actually spit up a big anchovy when he was up by me. All right, I'm gonna rebait with the anchovy. No idea what that fish was. Got to look it up when I get home. He had those fins on him like a flying fish type of deal. So the fish here is actually a jack smelt. I had to wait till I got home to figure it out. I mean, I looked all over the place trying to figure out what this thing was. Everything from this fish to that fish. And finally I found jack smelt. This is it right here. They range from Oregon all the way down to Baja California. Apparently they're really good to eat. And they used to be caught in quantities, but not that much anymore. They're like oily fish, kind of like a mackerel. But hey, I'm not eating them here, but if I catch them again, I'll try. All right, let's get back to the video. That was awesome. All right, I'm gonna rebait and get back out there. Is there another one? Yes. Get back here. Who knows what these guys are? No idea. Just trying to flip out so hard. Alright. Stinks. Two fish down. Not bad. Anchovies are the trick. What I'm doing is I'm just breaking them in half, hooking them in, and pushing the hook through and hooking the tip back into the anchovy so it doesn't come off when I cast it into the surf. Let's see if I get another one. Let's go back out. That's something here. I was about to give up. Oh man. It is not what I wanted to see. It's a ray. Alright, let's get this guy back in the water. So we got a ray. Look at him there. Looking awesome. First time ever I got a ray. Alright, let's get him back in the water. Well, that's the way to end it off with a ray. Nice. It's funny, these people at this restaurant behind me keep looking like, who the hell's this guy talking to? Hilarious. Alright, so that's it. Another trip to California in the books. Cool time surf fishing out there in Cardiff. Tons of surfers. The vibe in that town is awesome. I love it. Love it. I love San Diego anyway, as you can tell. Go Padres. But I'll be back. I'll be back to Surf Fish that again. I think we have some Mission Bay fishing again coming up. Our Harbor Island coming up later this month. So be sure to check that out. Next time we're down in Florida fishing for some bass and maybe some and fishing for snapper. How'd I forget that? Fishing for snapper and some bass in one of the canals by where I'm staying. But check it out. We'll be there. Catch you next week. Thanks for coming.
Diamonds in my grill, you see me shining. 24s on that Cayenne when we ride. Hey, now show me some. Show me some. Hey, show me some. Hey, show me some. Yeah, you know who I be. Bottle popper on the beach. But I go by Elijah and I'm always by the profit. Hey, the team hungry and ain't nothing finna stop us. Check a bag and make deposits and deposits and deposits. Hey, Mr. Say your girlfriend. Yeah, I see a check and I just hope your game of fish.